Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my March mystery. I've had it, I just didn't get to it till today. Hey, that's what happens. Spring hits and we get busy around here. Plus we have these weird winter storms. I tell you what, I think everybody's been having them. And there's a lot of planting and things going on. Literally our neighbors are in the field planting and we are planting. And then I got a notice that we're going to have high winds, possible tornadoes and hail next week. So I asked my husband, should we plant? Should we not? And he goes, we got to get it in the ground. We got to get it in the ground. So just praying, just praying. So it's been it's definitely March is that crazy weather month for us here in Texas. All right. Isn't that beautiful? That pretty bookmark. I love that with the little rhinestone and then just the very softest of ribbons. So beautiful. And then here is, it's called March Mystery. So pretty. And yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. And my brother, who I don't think he'd mind, his name is Patrick. And so first thing in the morning, I thought about him. I was reading what the Bible says about St. Patrick. And the story behind St. Patrick is really amazing. If you get a chance, just Google it. What the history is behind St. Patrick's Day. Anyways, he called last night and we got to talk to all of his kids, his wife, everybody. And so it was so sweet. And though we were driving on country roads and it kept cutting in and out, it was just so precious because, whoops, oh no, I dropped something. Hold on, guys. Let me get that while I'm talking. The kids kept, getting on and talking to us. And, it's just so sweet when you get to spend time with little ones, when you don't have little ones anymore, and they're in the beginnings of, soccer. I'm going to move you guys back. Hold on. They're in the middle of soccer and all kinds of things and t-ball and all that. And my brother's like coaching, I think, two of the teams, So that is so sweet. I love those. That's so sweet. Look at the date dots. Aren't they pretty? But anyways, it was just a very, very sweet. And first thing when he called, I said, I thought about you today. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And he was just like, he started laughing. So sweet. He's much younger than me. And he has a young wife. So they have lots of babies. One that isn't quite a year old. And she's just beautiful. And these rough and tumble boys and this, our second to youngest is a nephew, and the youngest is a niece. And he's just a real rough and tumble kind of kid and insanely strong. And I think he just turned 2. Anyways, he was doing something to his little sister, and he's just kind of rough, or he was going to take her toys or whatever. And she kind of grabbed a hold of his hair and she kind of set him straight, poor guy. But it was just, she's so tiny. It's hard to believe she'd do that, but she did it. So, and I thought, well, she's got 2 older brothers that are definitely rare 'em, scare 'em, running nonstop. So I'm just going to keep showing you while I'm sharing what my family story. So, but they are very sweet. They're very beautiful. And I absolutely adore my sister-in-law, of course, my brother and his kids. So I love that clipboard. It's so pretty on that. The floral background is so pretty. I don't know if you can see, it's like a halo gold foil. But, aren't these cute? These are so cute. Have you guys seen the new Emma line? It's so cute at DEK. And this is all dekdesigns.com. You can go find everything there. It's all listed below, discount codes, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you look down below. You can have all of that. I love these walking tennis shoes. I love these. But anyway, so she definitely can hold her own. Not even 1 year old, and she's got that bigger brother making him toe the line. That is a really pretty washi. I don't know if you can see all that, but really pretty. This is absolutely charming. So this is the mystery kit. It is a monthly subscription. It is not as expensive as, say, the box, though the box is a phenomenal deal. The monthly subscription box is a phenomenal deal. And this is put your toes in the water, get your kits at a discount. And they're monthly, and then you can decide, okay, I'm really into planning, or I'm, however, or maybe you want to buy the color box where you buy one sheet at a time, exactly what you use. But I really cannot say enough that when you think it's for something, you can use it for something else, if that makes any sense. I always tell people, don't limit yourself. Your stickers can fit in any planner. I can put these in a pocket planner and it works out perfectly. So don't feel confined and just enjoy your journey. And that's all that matters. Okay, friends, this is a very, very quick video, but I wanted to share my March mystery box, and I also wanted to share a little bit about St. Patrick's Day. It has a very special meaning for me, and I love my brother. My parents adopted him when I was 13 and he was 2, and so I got to take care of him a lot. My mom became very ill right within a few years of all that, and so though we were always, I was always, helping out and taking care of him when I really wanted my parents to adopt another child, and I had prayed heavily for this child, and he's just a very, very sweet man now, and I count him such a blessing in my life. So I have a double meaning for St. Patrick's Day. Leave a comment below. Tell me what was your favorite thing about St. Patrick's Day. And do you know the Christian history behind St. Patrick's Day? That I would love to know. And if you know it, share it. Put it in the box and maybe share it with somebody else. Or share a link to where, your what you have found. That may be easier. So, all right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I better get going. Lots more to do today. All right, guys, and I thank you guys so, so much for spending your time here with me today. And, yeah, okay, friends. Love you guys. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.